Welcome, this is how to fix Minecraft error code drowned, failed to log in, could not sign into a Microsoft account. So if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do guys is you could just simply go for the search menu down below and go ahead and search for services. Now click on services. Now over here, you could just simply scroll down or go to the letter X and you will have here multiple X box. So for this one, make sure to double click on it and make sure the start up type is on automatic, and you just simply select apply and okay. After that, click that again and select start over here. And from here, you could just simply select okay. And as you can see, it is running automatic. So all we have to do is set everything up to automatic and make sure everything is running. So guys, most of the time, this fixes the issue, and now everything looks good. Now, if it doesn't work, you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your Windows. Now here on the settings, go ahead and go for the apps, and here go for the installed apps and just simply search for the Minecraft launcher over here and select the three dots over here and select advanced options and scroll down, and from here you should have an option repair. Go ahead and click on that and this should fix the issue. There you go. See ya.